Today we are going to learn about how to send the attachment to the particular contact in WhatsApp. So let me see the video upon the tech tricks. You need to click the icon, that is the WhatsApp icon. You can refer the icon is showing the green color telephone icon. So you need to click on that icon. And here you need to select the contact from this contact list. So what you want to do is you can search the contact by click on that, and you need to search here. You need to enter the contact name. So here I'm going to send to my number, that's why I enter my number, and here I'm going to send the message. Here you can verify it is the place to send a message. So you need to type a message. I'm going to enter hi. Then you need to click on this send button icon. So thereafter, if you want to send any attachments, you need to click on this paperclip icon, and here you can send the document by click on this document icon. If you want to take a picture and send it to your friend, you need to click on this camera icon. If you want to send the picture in your mobile, you need to click on this gallery icon. If you want to send the audio clip to your friend, you need to click on this audio icon. If you want to send the location, which means your location, to your friends or colleagues, you need to click on this location icon. And if you want to send the other contact in your mobile, you need to just click on this contact icon. And if you want to create any of the voting, you need to click on the poll icon. So let's start with document. I'm going to send a document. So I click on this document, and here you need to select the document which you want to send to your friend. So I am selecting this document, and here you can put any description to your document. I'm going to type please refer. So then you need to click on this send icon. Then this document will be sent it to your friend. If you want to take a picture and send it to your friend, you need to click on this paper click icon. You need to click on the camera icon, and here you can place your camera and take a picture. Then you can send this, and here you can add the description, and you can click on the send icon. And another thing, if you want to send any of the picture from your phone, so you need to click on this gallery, and here you can find the picture which you want to send. I'm going to select this picture, and here also you can, as like the same, you can type the word or a description, and you need to click on this icon, send icon. And another thing is, if you want to send an audio clip, you need to click on the audio icon, and here you can select the audio clip which you want to send it to your friend, and you need to click on this send icon. And here also you need to reconfirm it, and you need to click on this send again. And another thing, if you want to send the location, you need to click on this location icon, and here you need to send your current location. And at that time, if you miss to send the location, and here there is another option, you need to select this location icon, then only you can able to share this location. So you need to remember whether your location has been enabled or not. So make sure your location enabled. And if you want to send the contact, you need to click on this attachment icon, and you need to select this contact, and here you can select the contact and you need to press this arrow icon, then you can send this contact. And if you want to prepare the word, you need to click on this attachment icon and you need to click on poll, and here you can create the question, why you are late or something, and some case you can put maybe, oh yes, you can type the options and you can send by click on this icon, and here you will notify your question and your options are displayed here. And after sharing this question with other contact also, you will get the voting whether they are choosing maybe or yes. So that is the great thing. I hope you will understand how to send the message through WhatsApp and how to conclude the document, camera, taken pictures, gallery pictures, audio clips, location, contacts, and how to create polls. So lots of information related to the WhatsApp attachment. You can find those things under this video. Let me meet in another video. Thank you. Bye.